This chocolate cake recipe is decadent, so moist, real chocolate flavor, it's so easy to make, and perfect for everyday occasions. Preheat the oven first to 180 degrees Celsius, and we're going to use the bottom heating element. We're going to make 3 layers of chocolate cake, and I have 7-inch cake pan here. Brush it with butter. Dust it with cocoa powder. Tap out the excess. Chill the cake pans in the fridge until ready to use. Let's make the chocolate cake batter. Getting a big bowl. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Add the flour, sugar, cocoa powder, baking soda, and baking powder. Mix everything together until well combined. Time to add the wet ingredients. Make sure the wet ingredients are warm temperature. Add a milk, eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract, and dark chocolate. Make sure you use dark chocolate couverture or any chocolate that has cocoa butter content. Mix everything together. Add the hot water to thin out the batter. Mix it slowly until everything is well combined. Don't forget to scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl, just to make sure everything is well blended. Divide the batter evenly into the prepared pans. Shake the pan a little bit. Bake this in the oven for 23 to 25 minutes. Let it cool down to room temperature and chill it in the fridge for 1 hour before frosting your cake. Let's make the chocolate whipped buttercream frosting. Add the butter into a bowl. Powdered sugar, we're going to use Kenwood hand mixer. Mix it first before turning on the machine so that the powdered sugar will not splash all over the kitchen. Okay, turn on the machine and beat it until light and fluffy. It It will take about 5 minutes. Okay, the butter is light and fluffy. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl. Add the whipping cream, vanilla extract, mix it slowly first. Turn on to low speed. I'm going to turn it off because my cream is already well blended. Add the milk chocolate. Dark chocolate. So make sure the chocolates that you're going to use here has cocoa butter content. You can use chocolate couverture as well. Continue to whisk until everything is well combined. Start on low speed. Okay, my buttercream frosting is creamy and smooth. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the bowl again, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. Okay, just gonna check the sweetness. It's perfectly sweet. Chill this in the fridge for 10 minutes before frosting the cake. Let's start frosting the cake. I'm not going to brush the cake with syrup because the chocolate cake itself is very moist. Put the frosting on top of the cake. And just spread it evenly. Second layer. Last layer of the cake. Make sure everything is even. I'm going to frost the sides of the cake. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm decorating it like a naked cake. I'm just using minimal outer layer of frosting. Just keep spreading the frosting until the top is even. I'm going to make rustic decoration. Tap the frosting lightly using your spatula. I'm going to chill this in the fridge for 1 hour. Let's garnish our chocolate cake with fresh strawberries. Keep it simple but elegant. Here's our super moist chocolate cake with chocolate whipped buttercream frosting.